Still only using ChatGPT? Then you should see what just happened in Silicon Valley. A team of only 30 people hit a $1 billion valuation in just 6 months. And the tool they built is honestly one of the most impressive things I've used this year. It's called Genspark, and it positions itself as the first real all-in-one AI workspace. Now, here's why that actually matters. Normally, we are all juggling AI tools. ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, PowerPoint for slides, some coding tool on the side, a research tool, 20 tabs open, and we still end up doing half of the work ourselves. Genspark does the opposite. It pulls the world's best models into one place. GPT, Claude, Gemini, VO, everything. And then it actually gets things done for you. It feels less like a chatbot and more like having digital employees. Let me show you a few things that really surprised me. First is the AI inbox. Email is normally the biggest time killer in my day, but here I can literally talk to it like a human. Summarize this thread, draft a reply. What opportunities did I miss last week? And it just handles everything. It even turns emails into slide decks automatically, which still blows my mind. Then there's Teams. Imagine Google Workspace, but built around AI from the start. My team and I can work on the same slides, sheets, documents, designs, even videos, all at the same time. And everyone can talk to the same AI helper that sits inside the project. There's no switching tools, no exporting files, it just works. One of my favorite features is AI slides. If you know me, you know I build a lot of presentations. What normally takes me hours now takes Genspark a few minutes. I just upload a rough document or tell it what I need, and it researches, formats, writes, and designs a full professional deck. And I can export everything to PowerPoint, PDF, or Google Slides. And then there's AI Developer, which honestly feels like cheating. I asked it to build an app for my brand, and in under a minute I had a complete working app. If you give it screenshots or a URL for inspiration, it even learns your style and rebuilds it. All of this one tool. One subscription, no switching tabs, no copying and pasting between platforms. It really does feel like having multiple AI employees. One for email, one for decks, one for coding, one for design, all available 24/7. You can test it out with free credits. If you're curious about the latest AI tools, I encourage you to give it a try. My link is below. This can really change how many of us work every day.